Okay, so today is Sunday, and I'm on the way to another car meet, and in typical LA fashion, look what's ahead of me. First gen Dodge Viper. You don't even have to do, you don't even have to try to do car spotting out here. They just fall into your lap. And I saw a Fisker a minute ago. So, should be a pretty cool day. Hopefully a lot of supercars. Hope to get some cool content. Okay, so I just pulled up at the car show. It looks like it's at a gas station actually. They just shut down the whole station. Parked a little ways down the road from it. And hoping to not get a sunburn again. I got kind of a bit of a sunburn yesterday. It was crazy sunny. But it looks like it's gonna be a pretty cool turnout. Some cool cars in the lot already. A good variety from Rolls Royces to more exotics. So let's check it out. This is awesome. Okay, good. So this thing, 900 wheel?
So right now it's on stage 3, guys. So this is from Geheim Tuning. And so it's at 950 wheel right now, and that's stage 3. So they put the power down, took off the pumps because I mean insane. This thing's insane, bro. It pulls
must be so fast. Yeah,
we were in Mexico City earlier today, and I swear to God, it felt like we were going about like 70, 80. And we're doing 150. It's that smooth. So this thing's an absolute beast.
That's incredible.
It's monstrous. Yeah.
So cool.
488 GTB.
So nice in here. And of course, you get the view at the back. Incredible. What a car. I love this thing. And you really have to straight pipe these cars. With the turbos, they just are too quiet from the factory. Okay, so here to hear first, this 488 is 900 wheel horsepower. It's the closest thing you're ever gonna get to a sleeper in a Ferrari. Because, you know, it is just a 488, but I don't think it really portrays how quick this thing is. Even if you look in it, there's nothing super obvious. Awesome turnout here though. Aventador Roadster. Got a tuned Ford GT. Such a gorgeous car. Got to sit in one of these last week, which was amazing. Got the M4 with the competition wheels, which I'm fucking obsessed with these wheels. Got the R8, and it's V8. Got the Supra. Still not a fan of the BMW underneath, but they do look nice. Got an awesome color on this M2. Blues are so perfect on BMWs. This thing is really cool. Love the double antennas. Damn. 80 V1s on this purple metallic 570. Wow. That is a sexy car. So cool. This one's wrapped in kind of a black, almost looks like a super dark brown in a way. Awesome. Okay, so we got exotics on the fast side. We also got some luxury. Got a Rolls Royce Dawn. Got the G-Wagon, probably a G63. Got the Cullinan Phantom drophead. Awesome, awesome car. Got one of the new Bentley Continental GT V8s. I personally think the V8's better. It's a little bit lighter and basically just as fast. I'm gonna go grab a snack in here. But first, let's go on. Manual. Oh shit. decisions. Gotta go with the classic. Got an Aventador pulling up. That's cool. Okay, so I finally get to sit in the Aventador. And yes, I did ask the owner. Wow, this thing is special. Got the scissor doors. This is special. Wow. A little bit tight, but hey, that's what sports cars are about. Got the awesome covered start-stop switch. Huge dash. Really, really low windshield. Amazing. Got my Apple Watch on today. So cool. Beautiful car. Let's see. Now to figure out how to get out of it. Let's close it up. So cool. This is not the only Lamborghini here with a messed up badge. This one's kind of bubbled. The Murcielago is the same way. There's a lot of sun damage. Alright, so I'm heading out now. That was a pretty cool little show. My first time sitting in a Ferrari, I believe. Second time for Lamborghini, but first time for an Aventador. So, pretty exciting. A little hard to get audio with the music playing in the background, but more to come soon.